This is part 1 in a series of tutorials for Psych 2301 General Psychology. Suggested databases for conducting research in Psychology 2301. The first databases that I will mention will allow you to search for magazine and journal articles. We refer to them as article databases. They're subscribed to by the library. Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection comes from EBSCO, and Social Sciences full text comes from Wilson Web. Another database that will be of use to you when you need to use the DSM is Psychiatry Online, which allows you to have online access to the DSM. Your assignment requires that you only retrieve articles from peer-reviewed or scholarly journals. This means that the articles have been reviewed by experts in a subject area before the articles were published in the scholarly journal. Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection and Social Sciences full text allow you to restrict your search so that you will only retrieve these scholarly articles from the database. I will point out how to do that in the search screen in the later tutorial. To get to these databases, you can start from the library's subject guide that has been included in your online course, or you can go to the library website and click on Articles, Research, and More, and then choose Psychology from the drop-down list for databases by subject area. Other library databases that may be of use to you if you have trouble finding what you need in the first two mentioned databases are listed here. There are some more databases from EBSCO that you can try out: Academic Search Complete, CNOL with full text, and Medline. And then there is another general subject database from Wilson Web called OmniFile. These databases will allow you to print, email, or save the full text articles that you find in your searches, and you can use them from home anytime you click on a database title from the library website or from your library subject guide. You will be asked to log in with your student username and password. I will show you the off-campus login screen. You enter your username in the first field, and it's the same username that you use for Blackboard, and then your password is your 6-digit birth date. There's also information on this page for you to contact the library if you have trouble logging in. You'll need to cite your articles that you find in the databases in the APA format. We have copies of the publication manual of the American Psychological Association in the library. Just ask for them at the front desk and you can check them out for 2 hours to use in the library. Or you can visit the MCC Writing Center. They have copies of the APA style manual, as well as they can provide assistance when you've started your paper. You can visit the official APA website for information on citing electronic articles that you found online or in an online library database. The URL is listed here, but it's also listed on the subject guide included in your course. This is the end of the first tutorial for Psychology 2301. Please visit Part 2 to see example searches in Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection.